Yeah, I'm cuffed up with my baby girl.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the notifications for you. Yeah. Okay, so today is freaking Friday. It's early in the morning right now. This is gonna be a hair tutorial. So today at my job, they're having pajama day. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can't believe it. We're gonna wear pajamas at work. Like, who does that? It's so like funny. So today's pajama day, and then they decided, so everyone's gonna wear their pajamas, and then they're gonna wear their hair into pigtails, like up top. It's so funny because this girl came into my office yesterday and she was like, hey, we're having pajama day, and so we're gonna wear our pajamas so we can take a picture, and we all want to wear our hair into pigtails to the top in a picture. Can you do that with your hair? I'm like, bitch, I'm black. We can do anything. So that's what we're gonna do. So this tutorial is gonna be like a two pigtail up top hair, and I'm gonna be using some extensions. So this is like just a track hair. A track of hair. So we're gonna be using this, and I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. I'm gonna show y'all how we do it. So to do this, you're gonna need hair, of course. And it's so funny about this hair because I was actually driving home from work, and I was driving in the hoods of Phoenix, and I stopped at the stoplight, and this dude had his window down. He was like, hey, like yelling in the car, like yelling in traffic. He was like, I got bundles of deck. I was like, oh yeah, I didn't see those. And I got 3 bundles of 22 or 20. I got 3 bundles for $115 or $107. I think I paid $117. I need hair, water, a brush, or some hair gel. I'm gonna be using the most ghetto hair gel you can find. Who uses this? The only reason why I have this is because I needed some gel real quick, and the dollar store was the only thing that was open, or near me, so I just got this. But is this even a thing? Actually, I use Eco Styler. But anyway, though, I just found this in my cabinet, y'all. I'm gonna try to use this. I don't like jam because it's good to slick down, but then it starts like oiling up, and then it just doesn't hold. But we'll try it. So I'm gonna start off. We're gonna do a middle. I'm trying to think what kind of part I want to do. Like if I want to do like a little swoop, boom, or a little just. Maybe I'll just do, I don't know how I feel about a middle part, y'all. I don't know. This is my hair, y'all. I actually fell asleep in it while it was wet last night. That's why it looks like this. That's like, no, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't fall asleep. So I'm gonna just spray it down really good. But yeah, this is my curly fro hair, y'all. It's growing. I've been taking collagen and biotin, and I've been trying to drink a lot of water and stuff, and it's getting there. It's getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Let me see. I've been wearing wigs for like a week to 2 weeks, and the wig that I have is a glueless wig, but I like to I sew down the perimeter. And the other day when I was taking it off, I went to like cut the strings where I sewed the perimeter, and I accidentally cut a little bit of my hair because my braids were longer than I like thought they were, which is a good thing, but then I just cut some of them off. Like it wasn't a whole lot. It was like maybe like this much. It wasn't a whole lot, but still, you know, like I need all the inches I can get. I'm trying to grow my hair. My ideal hair length would be like just shoulder length. Like I want a big, like if my hair was like this but just shoulder length, like out to here, I'll be fine. I wouldn't wear weave. I wouldn't worry about it. Like I would just take care of my hair. Like, but that's what I want. Parting it is the hard part because I can't see the back of my head. That's straight, right? That's straight. So I'm just going to spray my hair with water so I can detangle it before we start combing it up to put into the ponytail. Another thing I have trouble with, like with ponytails, is like making sure that they're even. Like, you know. Okay, we'll see. This is just so I can detangle it without it breaking off. So spritz your hair with water before you start combing in it. A lesson I've learned. That's why my hair was like not growing as fast as I wanted it to, is because I think I was just like breaking it off, because I usually just comb right through it, like rake right through it, but you can't do that. Start from the bottom. That's how we get here. We start from the bottom. Now we here. We're gonna take some of this gel. This is the most ghetto gel, y'all. Like liquid gel I'm using. Like really, like the most ghetto gel. Sometimes when I comb my hair, I take my brush and dip it in the gel. Alright you guys, so these are my pigtails. I think I got them pretty even for the most part. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna take some gel and I'm just gonna put it on here and braid it down. Ooh, look! Oh my gosh, and my hair is growing. Yeah, my hair is definitely growing. My ponytails were never this long. Doggy dog, Snoop Dogg. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this weave. This is about from the middle of my chest to like arms length. And we're gonna pin it underneath here. And then we're gonna bring it around town. Bring it around town.
No, oh, you can't touch this. Hey, bitch, I don't rich shit. My money thick, hey, walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit.
I'm gonna take this like this. So this is the end of the track. Can you see that? That's the end of the track. So I'm just gonna take this whole end of it. And so.
Telling me secrets, I probably forget it. But I'ma tune in when he say he gon' lick it. He told him send me a pic cause he miss me. I told him send me a stack if he really. I don't be trusting these tricks, they tricky. Send him a pic of somebody else titties.
Okay. Okay, let's do that side.
No, mama, don't bring your dad to the mall. Cause when he be in there, she know he be trying to fuck with. No, oh, you can't touch this. Hey, bitch, I don't rich shit. My money thick.
Alright, y'all, so this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Spice up your life. So I'm just gonna comb. So I'm just gonna take some gel. I have this little toothbrush. You don't have to do this, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna comb on my baby hairs, my adult hairs, and just kind of like put some gels to just kind of make it look a little more clean. Oh my gosh, should I make this a thing? Should I start wearing my hair like this? I feel like a spice girl. A spice girl. Spice up your life. Spice up your life. Yes. Yes. Anyways though, so this is the finished look. I don't know what it looks like in the back. What does it look like? Does it look bad? Not bad. I'll put a scarf on it and then I'm gonna get ready for work. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you think about this look. Let me know if you like this. It's just for work, for pajama day. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you in my next upload.